They built 20 right here,
Okay.
and then where he had to stop because of the flat tire.
Okay.
So 20, 3/4. I think it's supposed to be longer.
Oh, I think that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think he finished about right. The flat tire about right here.
Okay. Well, Lance did not finish 2 2/3 miles because of the flat tire. So
He's a little farther.
yeah, he's farther. He's almost there, right? He was only 2 miles away.
About right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's like about 18. Yeah, 18.
Yeah, that's a good estimate. But we're trying to get the exact number. So
you're supposed to
where should you label that 2 2/3?
right here.
So this distance is 2 2/3 miles?
Oh no, right here. This is the distance.
Mm-hmm.
So 2 2/3 miles. Okay.
Okay. So how do we find out how much he did get? How much he did run?
You are supposed to wait. Multiply?
Why do you say that?
I say that because it feels like subtracting because
You think it's subtracting?
yeah. Because there is 20 and 3/4 miles long, and he did not finish 2 and 3 miles because of the flat tire. How many miles did Lance bike?
Okay. Why do you think it's subtraction though?
Because the whole is 20 and 3/4, and the 2 and 3 miles is the part. Wait, I have to do something first. I have to make them both have the same denominator. 12. Eighteen and
18 and 1/12 what?
how miles did Lance bike? Lance's bike got up to 8 and 1/12 miles.
18.
18 and 1/12 miles long.
Awesome. That's a lot of miles.
You? A lot. Oh, that's a lot.
It's a good thing that you're going to finish all of them.
I am?
Mm-hmm.
I want this to be a plus. Like
Enough.
10 minutes. Shauna is organizing her music. She has 47 total songs. She noticed that 1/8 of the songs she owns are Taylor Swift songs. But how many Taylor Swift songs does Shauna own?
All right. Do you see any word in this question that's important?
About.
What does about tell us?
Nah, we have to estimate.
Circle it.
So you're supposed to guess if you're supposed to estimate wait. 48. So 1/8 times 48 equals 6.
6 what?
6 Taylor Swift song. Terrence has a can with 2 1/2 cups of diced tomatoes. If she uses 4/5 of the jar for soup, how many cups of diced tomatoes are in the soup? Hint: draw the can full of tomatoes. Label the amount Terrence used for the soup and the amount he did not. So there's no about in here.
There's no about in there. Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just gonna do it normal.
Good.
Which way is easier?
Well, what should you do first?
Oh, check if it's multiplication, division, subtraction, or addition.
What's the hint tell you to do?
Draw the full can of tomato. Full can of full tomatoes. So I'm just gonna draw a can that is full.
Okay. Okay. Now what?
Now, I was thinking about dinner tonight. So he has 2 1/2 cups of diced tomatoes. If he uses 4/5 of the jar for soup, how
I
many?
actually should say can. Can. So if you're full can there.
Can for soup, how many cups? I think it's subtraction because 2 1/2 you have in total when you use 4/5
We use 4/5 of what?
of the 4/5 of the can for soup.
Okay.
And because we have 2 1/2 cups of diced tomatoes.
Yeah, I agree with you, but see, the thing is, what I think we use 2 1/5 of this. Sorry, we use 4/5 of this, right? 4/5 of this can. How would you do subtraction if you wanted to use 4/5 of this can? What would that change? What would the picture look like?
2 1/2 minus.
Yeah, but you don't have 2 1/2 things
Yeah.
here, right? You just have one thing right there.
So I gotta subtract it. Oh.
Well, what does it look like in your picture? Him using 4/5 of a can of tomatoes. What happens to this can?
It would almost be full, but not yet.
Well, it would start full, and then what would happen?
Then it'll get smaller. Yeah.
Show me what's left after he does that.
Left.
Yeah, show me what he uses on that picture.
What he uses is just to subtract 2 1/2 minus 4/5. So see what he uses.
No, I disagree. Like, this is what I think happens. He's got this can here, and he uses
So you're gonna have 1/5 left.
And he's gonna have 1/5 of the can left. Now,
So you're supposed to use that 1/5.
how many tomatoes did he use then? How many cups of tomatoes did he use? He didn't use 4/5 cups.
Yeah, and he also didn't use 2 1/2 cups.
No, because 2 1/2
Yeah.
cups would be what?
That would be another can of those.
No, that would be this whole can.
Yeah. So he.
So here, why don't you label this can as 2 1/5? 2 1/2. So this whole thing is 2 1/2, right?
Mhm.
But what did he use of this whole thing?
He used 4/5 of it.
He used 4/5 of it.
So he has 1/5 left.
There's 1/5 left.
Last answer.
No. How many? So what's the question ask us for?
How many cups of diced tomatoes are in the soup?
So how many cups are in the soup?
This is a soup.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is the can with the tomatoes.
So he used 4/5 of the soup.
Of the can?
Yeah, of the can. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. This is a tricky one.
Yeah.
I like this. You need some really good thinking here. This is really good. All right. Imagine he had one can over here, right? And this can just had 1 cup in it. That's 1 cup of tomatoes. And he uses 4/5 of the can for soup. Show me how many tomatoes he would use.
And so here's use
Show me what he would use.
1, 2.
He just used 1.
No.
How much did he use?
4/5.
Yeah.
This one's
Show me
gonna
and
do-
shade it in.
Yeah, I'm gonna draw 5 and then shading 4.
Okay.
That's 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go.
Okay.
There.
Okay, Daniel. What you just did was 4/5 of the can. Awesome. But I'm asking you for the unit of cups. How many cups did he use? So he did 4/5 of the can. And if the can is 1 cup,
I'm supposed to use the whole
then I would
5/5,
multiply.
4/5.
It would be 4/5 cups.
So the answer is he has 4/5,
But
cups.
over here, he's using a different size can.
2 1/2. So you're supposed to multiply 2 1/2 times 4/5
Why?
because the whole thing is 2 1/2, and each of inside of the can is 4/5. So you're supposed to multiply it.
No, actually, that's not right. Each of these is 1/5 of 2 1/2.
So
Check out this applesauce. Okay. How big is it?
2 1/2.
No.
I don't know. It does not say how big.
Yeah, it does.
It's 4 ounces.
It's 4 ounces. All right. This thing has a number of different sizes. We could say that this is 1 cup.
Tomatoes.